Hi, hello. Are you losing motivation to lose weight after doing exercise or following diets after 2 weeks? Are you stuck in a rabbit hole to lose a belly fat or extra pounds from your body? Don't worry. In this video, you will get all the answer to your problems in this one program how going to change everyone's belief about the diets. Let's imagine after 14 days you were 50 pounds short where you are now with restricting your favorite food, and now completely ready to try your favorite dress which sleeps inside your wardrobe. Sounds interesting. Let's get started. Welcome everyone for the another exciting video with superb exciting program in the talk of the town. That's 14-day rapid soup diet program. Before that, unlike other soup diet reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the 14-day rapid soup diet program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Josh 14-day rapid soup diet program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the 14-day rapid soup diet review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the 14-day rapid soup diet ebook. So let's get going with the 14-day rapid soup diet review. In this video we are going to see what is 14-day rapid soup diet mean, how it will add benefits for us, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this 14-day rapid soup diet, who will follow and for whom it will not works, what we will get inside this 14-day rapid soup diet. Let's see one by one. Now let's jump into sales page of this program of what truth and facts are producing. And what are the promises they make in order to make our problems overcome. He promised by here. Women and men over 50 are melting belly fat at an alarming rate thanks to a simple daily ritual that burns abdominal fat 240% faster. Without cutting calories, losing 1 jean size in a week kills hunger and the most intense cravings. In just 1 week, blood pressure and blood sugar levels are dramatically improved. Lose up to 4 sizes in 4 weeks while reducing aches and fatigue. So he begins by telling the narrative of how this application he built changed his entire life. However, we will not see all of them. If you have time, read them. In this video, we will just cover the most crucial factors to help you make an informed decision. First, what is mean by 14-day rapid soup diet? This weight reduction plan is designed for persons who wish to lose weight quickly. Results in 2 weeks. Josh created this 14-day weight loss regimen because many people dislike month-long diet regimes. They immediately lose motivation and quit in the middle of the race. This diet emphasizes vegetables as a source of healthful proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. That is correct. When you start doing this, your body will burn stored fat and inflammation will be reduced. You will also have more energy, your discomfort will subside, your brain fog will dissipate, and your attention will improve. You'll get different breakfast, lunch, and supper options, and you may make the same recipe numerous times if you like it. However, it is a good idea to try each dish once and then stick to the ones you enjoy. Oh, and before I forget, the eating plan included in this program is for 7 days, and you must follow it twice to complete one cycle. Many people repeat the diet because it is simple, enjoyable, and, most importantly, it produces results every week. Next, what are going to get inside this 14-day rapid soup diet? Number 1, 14-day rapid soup diet. This book will teach you how to apply this eating plan to get the best results possible. This cookbook includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals. It is up to you to stick to a particular recipe during the 14-day schedule. Number 2 Recipes for immunity-boosting soups. These days, having a healthy immune system is essential. This book features dishes that can help improve your immune system, and the greatest part is that they're delicious, so you'll be more likely to stick with it. Number 3 Weekend Soup Detox. This is the most popular book in the program, with people losing up to 5 pounds by following the soup detox recipes. Number 4 Keto Soup Cookbook. This book explains how to incorporate the keto diet into a soup diet. The ketogenic diet is a popular weight loss plan that has helped many people lose weight. Number 5 Rapid Soup Diet Quick Start Guide. This book will teach you everything you need to know about the soup diet in no time. This guide has everything you need, from a grocery list to meal planning. If you have any questions, you may send an email to the author, who will respond to your inquiry. Number 6 Keto Immunity Smoothies. If you're in a rush and don't have time to cook your meals, you can substitute keto smoothies from this book for your recipe. An author has given 5 rules to get the desired results to achieve your weight loss journey. What are they? Make sure you follow the 14-day Rapid Soup Diet's 5 rules to the letter. If you shatter it, you'll have to start from scratch. Take a look at the Rapid Soup Diet's 5 rules. Track your progress. Before utilizing any program, I suppose this is necessary. To keep track of your progress, you must weigh yourself and take measurements. Make a list of your waist, hips, and thighs measurements. Repeat this process every 14 days. No snacks. There are no snacks available. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner will be your only options. To pass the time during nibbling, add a little extra to your meal. You are not need to consume any solid food in between meals, however liquids, water, tea without sugar, are permitted. This may appear challenging at first, but your body will adjust. Use 1–2 teaspoons. Salt. Salt is an essential component for your health. Basically, this strategy suggests keto soups as a way to reduce carbs in your diet. During this time, your body will shed a significant amount of water weight, as well as salt. You'll take 1–2 teaspoons of salt to meet your salt requirements. Use sea salt or pink salt if possible. 12-hour fasting. When following this protocol, you must fast for 12 hours every day. This can be done from dinner through breakfast the next morning. If you ate dinner at 8 p.m., your next meal will be at 8 a.m. the following morning. You can fast for 12 hours without any difficulty this way. Pay attention to your stomach, that is correct. We frequently consume food when we are not hungry. As a result, you must be cautious and avoid eating when you are not hungry. If you're not hungry at noon, drink some water instead of eating. And now about the advantages and disadvantages of this program. Cons of the 14-day Rapid Soup Diet. No exercise. The very first thing that springs to mind is that this regimen has no exercise. Diet and exercise work together to help you lose weight. However, without exercise, effects are slow to appear. If you want speedy results, you should include some type of exercise in your daily regimen. Fasting time. Fasting is one of the most efficient and successful methods of weight loss. Some people, however, dislike it because fasting is tough in the first few days. If you want to lose weight quickly, you should not ignore fasting because it has numerous advantages. Limited-term diet. While a soup diet is one of the quickest ways to reduce weight, it is only good for a short period of time. The soup diet should never be followed for longer than a month or 2. Adverse effect. The soup diet can help you lose 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, in a week, but it can also make you hungry, weary, and weak, according to research. It's best to keep an eye on your health and discontinue the soup diet if you experience any symptoms. Now, advantages of this program. Fast and quick results. Yes, the soup diet can assist you in reducing up to 10 pounds in just 1 week. The good news is that you can do it. This diet does not require any exercise to reduce weight. Simply follow the steps outlined in this program to see results. Short-term diet. As opposed to a long-term diet, many people prefer to follow a short-term diet. Many diets are available. Quick results are not sustainable in the long run. And, to be honest, long-term diets are quite dull. Simple to follow. We all live in a fast-paced world. We don't have the time to cook hour-long meals. A broth diet is an excellent alternative because it is quick and simple to follow. You only need to make soup. Make it with 3 or 4 ingredients and keep it in the fridge for a day or 2. Scientifically proven method. Skeptical. Many studies have found a correlation between soup consumption and a lower risk of becoming overweight or obese. People who eat soup are more likely to maintain a healthy weight than those who do not. The specific reason is unknown, but scientists suspect it is due to the feeling of fullness that people experience after eating soup for lunch. And more, this product comes with 100% risk-free purchase, which means if you are not satisfied with the purchase you won't regret after buying. Even if you are not even 1% satisfied, you can avail 100% money-back guarantee, so why are you waiting for? Act now. And another interesting thing waiting for you all. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from zPanda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the zPanda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time.